In this video, I'm going to show you how to archive class in Google Classroom. First, we will go to our Google Classroom. We have two classes here. To archive this, click on the three dots right here and click Archive on the list. A pop-up box will remind you that archiving a class causes it to be archived for all participants and will unlink your SIS if your class is linked. And archived classes can't be modified by teachers or students unless they are restored. Click on Archive to continue. Once you archived a class, we can see it here. To unarchive, on the three dots button, click on Restore. And that's it. For more videos like this, hit the subscribe button and click the notification bell so that you get notified for our new uploaded videos. See you next time!